Hey guys, I just installed my shock and I wanted to go over the torque specs. I was using the book. Flange nuts, 37 foot-pounds. These are the 12 millimeter up top. Actually, these were 14. These 14 millimeter nuts, torqued to 37 foot-pounds. The 12 millimeter, there's 16. Pinch bolt, 32 foot-pounds, and my damper fork through bolt, 47 foot-pounds. And that's with suspension fully compressed. Fully compressed here. Make sure you're off the jack stand. Alright, those are the torque specs. There she is. She's installed. And now it's time for an alignment and possibly a camber kit.